Are you looking to buy a house without a real estate agent? Is this your first home or are you a real estate investor? Well, buying a house requires a lot of skill sets, and I'm sure you must be doing a lot of research. So pause your research and watch this video as I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of buying a house without a real estate agent and the skills you may require. A lot of people do not know this, but there are two types of marketplaces when it comes to real estate in Canada. The first major real estate marketplace is through MLS listings, where all licensed real estate agents participate. In this marketplace, most listings are under contract between the seller and the real estate agent, who is known as a listing agent. You can easily find the MLS listings on various websites like Realtor.ca or EG.ca. The second marketplace, which is not very well known, is the marketplace where house for sale advertisement is directly by homeowner who are looking to sell their property without a real estate agent. This type of marketplace is called for sale by owner, FSBO for short. Now, as a buyer without a real estate agent, you can buy a property from either marketplaces. There are also pre-construction homes. If you are interested in buying a brand new home, then check out my video on how to buy a pre-construction home. Link is in the description below. Hey guys, I know you're watching my videos and you're getting a lot of value out of it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel and click the like button. And please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. According to the Canadian Real Estate Association, on average in Canada, there are about 40,000 transactions of houses per month. Can you believe it? 40,000 transactions. Some areas are more active than the others due to supply and demand. One of the important things you need to know is the type of market you are in. Supply and demand ratio creates three different types of markets in real estate. As a buyer without access to the tools that real estate agents have, it is important that you research about the type of market you are in. This can help you with your buying process. Real estate is an open market, and as a buyer without knowledge on how to calculate fair market value of a house, you can easily pay a lot more than it's worth. There is one thing I want to disclose to you. If the property is listed by a real estate agent, then it is in your interest to hire and work with a real estate agent since there is no cost to you. And the seller has already agreed with their agent on how much they will be paying to both agents. There are tons of home value estimators online, also known as automated valuation systems, AVM. AVM systems are used to estimate fair market value of a home. Good AVM systems uses algorithms to estimate a fair market value of a property based on long-term market trends and nearby comparables. From my experience, I have noticed human factors are always missed in AVM estimates. According to a study which used a sample of 5,455 vacant lots in Pickens County, South Carolina. I know I am taking you outside of Canada, but listen to this. In this geospatial approach, they uncovered substantive pricing discounts of 44.9% for properties adjacent to power line. This research was for a specific area and does not disclose the type of market that existed at the time of study. However, it gives you an idea on accuracy and limitation of the automated valuation system's estimate. But if you are taking notes, I'm sure you can fine-tune and come up with a good estimate. In Canada, for buying a house, you will need to have a minimum down payment ranging from 5% up to 20%. Couple of things you must make sure: that you have a good credit score and history including stable income. I'm sure you have heard location, location, location. That's right. Location is a key element when buying a property, as it can make or break your real estate wealth. There are various types of properties with different ages. What is the best property for you? Well, this depends on your requirements and also on your budget. For example, how many bedrooms and bathroom are you looking for? Build yourself a list of potential properties and set up viewings. Take notes and pictures during your visit. This will help you with estimating fair market value. Remember, real estate is an open market. List price of a house does not mean that it is a fair market value. This is a tool that was designed to create transparency between seller and buyer. It is called Property Information Statement in Ontario and Property Condition Disclosure Statement in British Columbia. You can request this document when you are preparing your offer as one of your conditions to the seller. Now, if your seller is selling the property privately, they may not be familiar with this document. But if you're buying a house which is listed by a realtor, then realtor would be familiar with this document. I recommend that you do your research and find a copy, as it will provide you with a key question that you should consider before sending your offer on a particular property. Now, what is an offer when it comes to purchasing a real estate? Documents that are required to be submitted by you as a buyer to the seller are called Agreement of Purchase and Sale. You should engage a real estate lawyer to help you prepare documents. You must make sure that your mortgage lender and your lawyer are aware of your recently accepted offer. Finally, on the closing day, your lawyer will inform you the process of signing and acquiring your keys. That is it. Congratulations! You have finally purchased a house without a real estate agent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.